Right from the start, the JOYROOM Podix feels like a premium desktop product rather than a simple accessory. Inside the box, everything is well organized. The charger itself, the magnetic base, the AC power cord, and the documentation. What immediately stands out is that this is not designed to travel in your pocket. Podix is clearly meant for the desk, a permanent charging command center for home offices, gaming setups, or creative workspaces. The included tri-magnetic base reinforces that philosophy, keeping the unit stable and anchored even when multiple cables are pulled out at once. JOYROOM clearly invested in making Podix feel like a serious desktop device. The body uses premium, flame-retardant PC material, and the finish feels scratch-resistant and durable enough for constant daily handling. The design is compact but weighty, which helps it stay planted even when charging multiple devices at once. The 180-degree rotatable structure is also surprisingly useful. Instead of forcing you to position the charger one specific way, Podix can be flipped and angled depending on where your devices are sitting. Laptop to the left, phone to the right, camera gear in front. Combined with the tri-magnetic base, it becomes one of the most stable multi-device chargers I've tested.